Tom's on again. Oh, nice! What's going on? This is Bustup Stonkers. The polluted waters of the plaza are shrouded in mystery. What scaled beasts lurk among the concrete piles? Well, today, Tom and I set out to uncover the secrets of the Plaza Canal. After spotting some fishermen, we decided to gear up. We're gonna get some cheap fishing gear, Big W. What's your budget?
I don't know, as much as it takes.
As much as it takes. So we're out of Big W. What do you got? Got some Jarvis Walker gear. You got some miniature hooks as well. What do you got? The Jarvis Walker small fry. And I have the Force 10 FX 2000. Yeah, this is a weapon right here. This is an absolute machine.
Oh yeah.
Do the spin again?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's actually really smooth.
Nice.
So Tozza, the plan is get some Macca's chips and chuck them on our miniature hooks, and then we're going to use these rods.
Should we just get into fishing straight away?
I reckon. It's almost getting it. Got to get these zip ties off. Here's mine. Tom's got it. Check out this rod. It's pretty nice. Let's go, Tozza.
Look at that. Look at
Stonkers are awaiting. It's got a bream. Tozza.
Look where we are.
Nice.
Bruh.
The brim are all down there.
Oh look, yeah, cast near that pillar. There's heaps of them. Get the...
Come on, Tozza.
He swam straight to a boat.
Bro.
Come on, back.
Good eating in here. You wouldn't want to eat anything from here. Tom's on again. I saw him on it. Look at him
What's
go.
grunter? It's grunter.
Oh, nice. Tom's on a grunter brim.
It's a grunter.
Grunter brim, you dog. That's a stonker.
Look at him.